Hello children, in this video let us solve one more pair of linear equations by substitution method which we learnt in our earlier video. S minus t is equal to 3, s by 3 plus t by 2 is equal to 6. The second equation involves fractions. It looks a little complicated, but actually it is not. We'll realize this when we proceed with the sum. Now, taking the first equation, let us find out the value of, say, s in terms of t. You can do for even t in terms of s, whatever is convenient for you. But now, let's express s, the variable s, in terms of t. So, it becomes s is equal to minus t. When you add t to both sides, you get t plus 3. So, this is the value of s in terms of t. Now, using this value of s in your second equation, this is your second equation. So, you can use the value of s here. So, instead of s we write, in the place of s we write t plus 3 by 3 plus t by 2. The s is just rewritten as t plus 3. All of this is equal to 6. Now, why did we do so? We just wanted to express a two-variable pair of linear equations in just a single variable, one variable, so that solution is much easier. So, since we are substituting, we call this as the substitution method. Now, let us solve from here. Now, since they are of two different denominators, t plus 3 by 3 and t by 2 are of two different denominators, we will have to find the least common denominator, which happens to be 6. 3 into 6. So, 6 and 3 2 times 6. So, this has to be multiplied by 2. Both numerator and denominator has to be multiplied by 2, so that 3 becomes 6, and this side it has to be multiplied by 3. So, let us proceed. What is 2 into t plus 3? It is 2t plus 6, right? 2t plus 6 plus 3t. All this is equal to 6. So, now simplifying further, what do we get? 2t plus 3t is 5t. 5t plus 6 by 6. This is equal to 6. 6 or 6 can also be written as 6 by 1, and we can cross multiply, right? So that we form an equation without these fractions. What happens? 5t plus 6, 5 into t plus 6 becomes equal to 6 into 6, which is 36. Now, isolating the variable t. Our purpose now would be to isolate the variable t so that we get the value of t. So, the first step towards it would be to shift the 6 to the other side. 36 minus 6 gives you 30. Now, t is equal to 30 divided by 5, which is equal to 6. Now, we have found the value of t. We have found the value of t. T is equal to 6. Now, all we have to do to find the value of s is substitute t is equal to 6 in our first equation. S minus t is equal to 3. So, instead of s minus t is equal to 3, you may rewrite it as, since t is equal to 6, 6 minus t is, I am doing it the other way. T is only equal to 6, s is not equal to 6. So s minus 6 is equal to 3. So, what is your s? Though we can guess now, let us do the steps properly. 3 plus 6, which is equal to 9. So, we now have both the values, s is equal to 9 and t is equal to 6. If you want to perform a check, you may go ahead and do so. You have this equation, s minus t is equal to 3. You just substitute the values of 6 and 9 there. You have s minus t is equal to 3. If you write s as 9 minus t is 6, so 6, and this is obviously equal to 3. So, your values of s and t are perfectly correct. So, you have solved for s and t perfectly. I hope you understood. Thank you.